Track 3 for last stop, Lava Mountain. The train to Shining Time will depart from track 4. Shining Time, track 4.
Wait, track 3? Where is it?
Where is Burnett Stone?
Meanwhile, the engines were feeling confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel 10. Only James, who still sat in the sheds, was complaining. Wobbly wheels, puffy pistons. Thomas, I should have collected Mr. Conductor. You couldn't leave the sheds. James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. That means it's for big engines. James is a big engine, You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny weeny weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything. Bossy sprockets. All your steam has gone to your funnel. All I did was pick up one little man from a signal box. What's important is that we stand up on our own wheels to Diesel 10. Toby's right. Diesel 10 knows the lost engine in the legend really exists. Exists? Like now?
What engine? What legend?
The legend of the lost engine. Long ago, a little steam engine was given the power to bring engines to life. But she was lost, and her powers went with her. She's more powerful than Diesel 10 will ever be. That's why he wants to find her. Until he gains her powers or destroys her, he can't ensure his dominance over our railway. If the legend is true, then she holds enough power to control all railways, let alone ours.
Then we better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy. Bother big engines. Hey, how would you like to use that turntable for road shows instead of engines? Beg pardon? Come on, let's make a deal. Surely you want to get rid of steam engines. They're taking up space that could be used for roads. I actually quite like them. Steam engines make great friends, although they cause a lot of accidents. But I'm not much for ripping up rails. George the steamroller is, but he might end up coming for yours too. Fine, I'll keep the turntable for myself. Thomas puffed along to the quarry. He was tired of the bickering from the bigger engines. Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me. There they are.
Can't believe we're almost working.
I'm no good at backing up.
Me neither.
Hey, look, it's that blue puffball.
Let's go mix his wagons.
Hey, puffball. What do you two want? Rude.
Where's that Mr. Conductor at?
Yeah, we have grievances.
Oh, big word.
I'm smart, haha. Mr. Conductor is far too busy to be bothered by you smelly diesels. Now excuse me,
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
Oh, botheration! You're gonna get swooshed in quarry dust!
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and help clean, but got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that?
Uh-oh.
Neither did I. Choo! Choo! Dear Mr. Conductor, where were you? My wife said she couldn't miss our little holiday. We'll telephone to make sure you have arrived. Signed, Sir Topham Hatt. Sir Topham Hatt. Whoa! Oh, good afternoon, sir. A real honor, sir, like my family before me. And how is Lady Hat? Watch out for Diesel 10 definitely. And keep an eye on Henry's health certainly. Yes, sir, the 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic. I mean, I will be responsible, reliable, and really useful. We will all get a good night's sleep. Looking forward to a hard day tomorrow. Goodbye, sir. Phew.
What a long day.
Yes, I'm exhausted. Typical of you little engines to be so tired already. Oh dear! Hello everyone. Bust my buffers! Mr. Conductor?
He is real, and he does the sparkly thing.
I told you, Percy. Mr. Conductor, how do you do that? You can just sneak up on anyone. That's downright frightening. Well, I suppose a little story time is good. Let me make a cup of hot cocoa first. And so, we know that the lost engine is safe somewhere, because we conductors can still travel using our gold dust. I've been trying to find where it's hidden, but no one in my family has a clue. It would be good to know where it is. That way we can keep it safe from the diesels. They seem to have a nasty plan. Yes, Thomas, that is our mission, to make sure she's safe. But we must also stay really useful. Now off to bed, all of you. We have lots of work to do tomorrow. Alright, Pinchy, my little bucket of badness. Time to feast yourself. Whoa!
Conductor,
What was
sound?
that? Get up, Twinkle Toes. It's time to play. Cinders and ashes, it's Diesel 10. Diesel 10? Oh no! Hello, Twinkle Toes. I've got a plan, and you're not in it. You can't catch me, Diesel. Losing a sparkle, huh? What perfect timing. Now where is that lost engine? What? You think I didn't know about her? You won't find her here. You're not clever enough to stop me? Oh, yes I am. No, you're not. Ah, is that? That's right, it's sugar, Diesel. And if I put this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good. Make the most of tonight, Twinkle Toes, because you won't like tomorrow. Neither will that line of tin candles. Jeez. Shut up, Pinchy. Mr. Conductor, what happened to your sparkle? I don't know, Thomas. I'll just have to sleep on that. On your sparkle? No, Thomas. On the problem of what happened to it. How did he know about the lost engine? We don't even know about it.
Mr. Conductor, without your sparkle, how will you be able to help us?
I'll solve the problem. You just go to sleep now. Easy for you to say. Ah. Sparkle, gold dust, magic, railway, buffers, lost engine. The family told me, as long as there's an engine, there will be harmony. As long as there's gold dust, there will be energy. You'll never have to worry. Yeah, sure. What's going wrong with our railway and why? My hometown is in danger. I've got to find more gold dust.